I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now. Shut off the sink valves and open a nearby faucet to relieve pressure. Once done, slide the bucket under the P-trap and clear stored items so you can work. Next, loosen slip nuts with the wrench while you explain why. The P-trap often holds hair and debris causing backups. Make sure to wear gloves. You'll disconnect the trap to inspect and remove blockages manually and set parts on a towel in order for reassembly. With the trap off, look inside and pull out gunk. This is often the main cause of backups. Once the visible debris is removed, feed a plumber's snake into the tailpiece and through the drain to break up deeper obstructions. Rotate and push slowly, then retract to bring material out. After clearing, reattach trap loosely, run hot water to flush any residue, and add a small amount of dish soap to cut grease. This helps verify flow while preventing immediate reclog. Reassemble the trap carefully. Hand tighten slip nuts, then give each a quarter turn with the wrench so seals seat without cracking. Run hot water for 2 to 3 minutes while watching joints for leaks and ensuring drainage is brisk. If water still backs up or moves slowly, feed the snake deeper or use an enzyme-based cleaner overnight to digest organic buildup. Avoid chemical drain cleaners that can damage pipes. If problems persist, call a plumber. The issue may be in the main line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.